A foldable mini trampoline is a compact exercise device that provides a low-impact cardio workout. These trampolines are designed to be lightweight and easy to store, making them ideal for those with limited space. Foldable mini trampolines come in different sizes and shapes, but they all have one thing in common: they can be folded up for easy storage. There are many benefits to using a foldable mini trampoline for exercise. The low-impact nature of bouncing on a trampoline makes it easy on the joints, making it a great choice for those who want to avoid high-impact activities. Trampolines are also an effective way to improve cardiovascular fitness, balance, and coordination. They can also be used for strength training by incorporating resistance bands or light weights. When looking for foldable mini trampoline reviews, it's important to consider factors such as the quality of construction, the durability of the materials used, and the ease of assembly and storage. Customer reviews can be helpful in determining which trampoline is best for your needs, and it's always a good idea to consult with a fitness professional before starting any new exercise regimen. Greetings, friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to showcase the top-rated foldable mini trampolines in today's video. To ensure you never miss out on my latest content and updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button. Without any delay, let us dive right into the video. Number 5 in our top is from the ANCHEER brand. Strong resistant PP mesh, soft and delicate surfaces not deformed for high intensity and long-term use. Max load weight 300 pounds. A variety of exercises and intensity levels can be added to increase your strength training sessions and get the maximum benefits from your exercise routine. Heavy-duty steel frame and 6-leg base frame for sturdy grip. Exercising regularly with this trampoline trainer will help to stimulate your metabolism, increases oxygen capacity, improves your balance, boosts cardiovascular health while reducing strain on joints. Foam-covered handrail allows for increased balance, flexibility, and coordination. A total of 34 tightly coiled rust-resistant springs provide plenty of bounce for anyone in the family. The mini trampoline can be folded 2 times, which saving you much storage space and easy to carry. Quick and easy to assemble, no additional tools required. The 40-inch mini trampoline with the strong spring design makes it safe to have fun in your home or garden. It is super strong bearing and it can hold different people. Number 4 in our top is from the FREEDARE brand. Kensone mini trampoline for adults and kids. The frame of the trampoline is made of heavy-duty steel and the waterproof bungee mat is fixed to the frame with steel springs which absolutely enhance the stability. The adjustable foam handlebar and strong legs with rubber sleeves make the trampoline anti-slip and safe. The fitness trampoline can be folded twice, which makes the size less to 1/4 circle for your quick and convenient storage. You can put it into car, under the bed and sofa or the closet, etc. We provide you with 6 detachable rubber-tipped legs which can considerably reduce noise and protect your floor space. Yoga, cardio, stretching and other workout ways are all available. Moreover, Kensone trampoline is suitable for both adults and kids. You can use it indoor or outdoor to exercise. A specific assembly instruction is included. Jumping mat is pre-assembled with springs. It may take you around 10 minutes to install the trampoline. Efficient and convenient. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Ativafit brand. It is a versatile and durable exercise equipment designed to help individuals of all ages achieve their fitness goals. It is made with high-quality materials that provide stability and support during intense workouts. This trampoline comes in different sizes and shapes to fit various fitness needs and preferences. It is equipped with a safety handlebar for added balance and support, making it a suitable choice for people of all fitness levels. The trampoline is also foldable, making it easy to store and transport. With regular use, Ativafit fitness trampoline can help improve cardiovascular health, increase stamina, build strength, and enhance balance and coordination. Whether used for low-impact exercises, high-intensity interval training, or simply bouncing for fun, the Ativafit fitness trampoline is a great addition to any home gym. Number 2 in our top is from the Stamina brand. The Stamina 36-inch Tone Plus Rebounder Mini Trampoline provides a fun, safe and supportive workout that helps tone your legs, abs, glutes, and back. Bounce back to health and add fun to your everyday workout with our mini trampoline. This small trampoline can go almost anywhere. Fold it and take it with you so you'll stick to your fitness trampoline routine and get fit. Our indoor trampoline is composed of spring-free tension bands that provide a more quiet, safer, and more supportive bounce. This fitness trampoline also has an elastic safety pad and rubber-tipped legs for maximum protection. 6 detachable rubber-tipped legs protect your floor and provide a solid foundation for the rugged steel frame. Our foldable trampoline provides complete high-quality training movements ideal for any indoor or garage space. The heavy-duty polypropylene surface of this workout trampoline is made to last. Convenient smart workout app. This home gym equipment is fully supported by Move, the all-in-one app that provides smart guided audio coaching, follow-along assembly videos, and personalized workouts, and helps you move 500+ minutes per month with the right mix of cardio, strength, and flexibility for a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Pelpo brand. Pelpo Mini Fitness Trampoline is not only light, safe and quiet exercise equipment, but also provides a more fun way to exercise. Jumping cardio for 10 minutes a day is the equivalent of an hour of jogging, 30 minutes of cycling or 20 minutes of swimming. High-quality steel and impact-resistant PP materials can support 330 pounds and is suitable for long jumps. The 38-inch diameter and removable steel tube is easy to assemble or separate and store in any home. The enclosed stainless steel spring is safer and more durable than the belt spring or other elastic rope. 6 steel tubes can be removed easily for storage and covered with rubber to make the trampoline non-skid and noiseless. The PP mat is not only water-resistant but also waterproof, up to a maximum load of 330 pounds, and is easy to clean. Unique design allows you to fold twice without a safety mat, helping you easily store under your bed, in the trunk of your car, or in a closet. Kindly share with us in the comments section below, which foldable mini trampoline catches your interest for purchase. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.